The wait is finally over. KP Classes is starting its first ever crash course batch for the preparation of GATE Architecture and Planning 2024 examination. So if you are somebody who is aiming to crack that examination, definitely it is not yet late for you. We have 3 full months, and if properly used, we can definitely get a very good rank out of it. So don't worry, there is still time. If you're planning to clear this examination, if you're planning to crack this examination, you can definitely enroll in our batches. Now, let me just walk you through a few key pointers, or you can say a few advantages of joining this particular crash course batch. Firstly, it is starting from 4th of November. Obviously, we will have a few more batches starting afterwards, but the earlier you join, the much better it is. So the first batch is starting from 4th of November. Apart from this, basically in this particular batch, you will be getting access to study material both in the hard copy and in the soft copy format. Along with that, you will be also getting access to flashcards. Now, flashcards are something which helps you remember things very easily. Now, in a GATE examination, as you must be aware of, we have a lot of questions based on names of architects, names of buildings, quotations, books, and all of these things, which might feel a little bit overwhelming to remember, especially in the end moment. So we have these flashcards in which we already have collected, or you can see we have put together all the important names of architects, buildings, which have been multiple times asked in GATE question papers in your previous years. So this is going to help you remember all of the important pointers very easily and very quickly. Now, about the classes, you will have 6 to 7 days of classes a week, and each class will be approximate 3 hours. Now, this is so that we can have enough time to go through every concept in depth. So, all your topics, the entire syllabus for the GATE will be covered. You don't have to worry anything about that, and it will be covered in depth, looking into all your doubts alongside the classes. So, that is why we have so many days of class, and we have 3 hours of class so that we can look into every single topic in depth. Now, obviously, whatever you have learned, you need to implement that to see how much you can retain. So for that, we have subject-wise sectional tests as well as mock tests. So subject-wise sectional tests are going to help you find out the problem areas. If there are some subjects that you feel you are weak in, it's going to help you make those subjects stronger. Apart from that, we also have full-length mock test, which is going to prepare you for the D-Day so that you get in habit of sitting for the entire 3 years. The time management aspect, which one you should start first? Should you start with the aptitude part, or should you start with the core part? All of those things, all the management aspect is going to be prepared by the mock test only. So sitting for mock test is going to help you prepare for the D-Day. And also the mock test is prepared in such a way that it's going to give you a real-time GATE experience so that you don't feel nervous on your final day because you have prepared so much for it, right? And one of the very important questions that definitely comes to a lot of students' mind is, what about my doubts? Like, I will have a lot of doubts. Who will clarify those? You don't have to think about anything in that aspect because we are here for you 24/7. So you have a chat option with the faculties. If you don't find it comfortable to talk with them, you can even text your doubt. You can put in pictures of your doubt and the faculty will answer it. Or you can ask your doubts in the class as well. It's a live classes. You can, ask your faculty's doubts. You can ask them to explain anything during the class or even after the class. Or let's say you want to talk to them, you feel a little bit overwhelmed about the entire thing, you are feeling a little bit nervous and all, and you want a little bit of guidance from the faculty, you can definitely appoint a session. You can get an appointment beforehand and the faculty will be there to talk with you. So you don't have to worry anything related to studies and as well as related to the nervousness aspect. If there is any, you can definitely talk to us in whatever way. We are here to help you always. Now, apart from this, basically most of the pointers are covered, but apart from this, one more very good news that I have for all of you who's watching it right now, like before 4th of November, as you are aware that we already have batches which are running right now. So if you want to kickstart your preparation, you are thinking like 4th of November is too late, I want to start my preparation from now. Definitely you can do that. You can call our counselors and you can get enrolled in our batches today itself at the cost of the crash course. So you can get yourself enrolled and you will be given the regular batches. So if you get enrolled today, you can start your classes right from today because you have regular batches which are running. So it's like, kick-starting your preparation even before the crash course starts. Definitely all the subjects which we are having today in at this particular point, that will be repeated later on. But if you are joining in today, definitely you will be covering those subjects way beforehand, and you don't have to wait for that time. So you will have an extra time for extra revision. So if you want to kickstart your preparation, don't wait for 4th of November. You can call our counselors today, you can join in today at the same cost for your crash course. So there is no difference in cost. Without a doubt, you don't have to worry about it. There's no difference in cost. It's only that you are kickstarting your preparation, right? So again, let me just repeat it. 4th of November, the batches are starting. We will obviously have multiple other batches also, but the earlier you join, the better it is. For any more doubts, if you have, you can definitely leave your queries in the comment box below, or you can also call our counselors. The numbers will be given in the description box. Thank you very much.